Dreams are growing strand by strand. Every color tells a story.
Hi, good morning. So I'm starting this vlog late. Like I've done everything I need to do this morning. Before remembering that I need to pick up my camera and just vlog something. So let's see how today goes. I'm not really doing much today again. I'm just going to just to work and I'm already cooking. I'm already cooking. I'm just going to work and I might be going out. I'm not sure, but I might be going out. So that is basically all I'm doing today. So let's see how today goes again. Today is Saturday. Today is 25th of July and it's almost end of the month. I'm always looking toward end of the month. Like once it's the new month, I'm already like looking into the end of the month. So I'm glad it's like today is 25th and I have just 6 days left in July before August. So let's see how today go. So this is the next project I'm working on. This I don't know if I should make it a vest, a sweater, or I don't know. I might just make it both. So check.
Morning lights yarn in my hands. Dreams are growing strand by strand. Every color tells a story. Every stitch becomes my glory. Soft and simple, slow and true. Making something fresh and new. One small loop can change the day. Watch my ideas come to life this way. Needle moving, heart is steady. Coffee's warm and I'm all ready. Every project starts so small, then becomes my favorite of them all. Stitch by stitch, row by row, watch a little dream begin to grow. Made with love, made with care, creating beauty everywhere. Loop by loop, day by day, learning something on the way. Welcome in, come stay a while. Let's crochet with every smile. Orders packed and patterns drawn, working from dusk until dawn. Every challenge helps me grow.
Hi, good morning. So today is 28th of July 2026 and working today. So I'm going to the market now to do some market runs to get yarn. So I'm going to be doing a yarn shopping for a project I'll be working on. So I'll be glad to like take you guys along. So outfit check. So let's go. That's money points and birthday card, your POS. This is what I've done so far on this dress. So this is an extra large, like 2XL. It's a huge project. Right now I have code, and then you can like get that from the way I'm sounding. So I have code, and I'm not going to be recording a tutorial for this dress. So but once I'm done, I'm going to like record a tutorial, because recording a tutorial for this dress, for this 2XL dress, is going to like be a big deal and stress for me. But as soon as I'm done, then I can like record this tutorial for a small size. So but I'm going to take you along through the process till I'm done. I guess we'll see tomorrow. Good night. Hi, this is 11:32 p.m. on the 28th of July 2026, and I'm like tired. You can see my maid. I'm tired. So this is my progress on the dress. I'll continue tomorrow. I just want to like have my bath and sleep, and I'll do the rest tomorrow because I'm really tired. Really tired. Good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. I need to sleep. So we continue tomorrow. Good morning. So today is 29th of July, and quick update on this dress. On this dress. So I'm already shaping the hip, and this is it. It's like 2XL, so there's no way I'll be showing you the way I would actually want to. But I'm heading out now, and this is it. So I guess we'll continue when I get back. See ya. Bye for now. Good morning.
So update on this dress. I'm almost done with this down part. I love this dress so much. So I just have to do the sleeve, but right now I'm still working on this, and this is I think this is the third day. Today is Friday. Okay, this is the fourth day. So this is day 4 of making this dress. I can't wait to record a tutorial for this dress for you guys. Oh my god. I love the colors, like I love the colors arrangements. Ah man.
Morning light yarn in my hands, dreams are growing strand by strand. Every color tells a story, every stitch becomes my glory. Soft and simple, slow and true, making something fresh and new. One small loop can change the day. Watch my ideas come to life this way. Needle moving, heart is steady. Coffee's warm and I'm all ready. Every project starts so small, then becomes my favorite of them all. Stitch by stitch, row by row, watch a little dream begin to grow. Made with love, made with care, creating beauty everywhere. Loop by loop.
This is the final result of the dress. This is it. Like, hoo, hoo, hoo. I love this so much. It's a 2XL. Don't mind that it fitted on this mannequin. Like, this is what the back looks like. Like, my mannequin must eat. Like, it must eat. So this is it. Yeah. So thank you for staying with me until the end of this vlog. This is past 2 a.m. on the 4th of August. So I started this dress on the 27th of July, and this is 4th of August by 2 a.m. and I'm done because by 5 a.m. I'm taking this to the park for delivery. So I just decided to show you guys the end result of this dress. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
No,